Ford Dynamics DNA is all about agility, precision and control. In former days we relied strongly on test driving, on subjective evaluations only, but over the recent years we have developed more and more ability to really measure what the test driver is feeling. And to be able to measure something, you need to be able to measure it in a reproducible manner, and that is something we do here on the Lommel Proving Ground.
That product DNA has been developed not only for the complete vehicle system, but also for systems and subsystem characteristics to really understand on how to engineer the attribute performance that we need to have into the final product. We came up with really sophisticated rigs, as for instance the kinematic and compliance rig. We are measuring, as the name says, system characteristics as compliances and kinematics.
Attention to detail is certainly one of the key elements at Ford. So each component has to be optimized to its limit. And then we get the result we want to achieve. When we decided to enter EPAS systems, we tried to define something which enables us to better understand these systems. And together with our supplier, we developed this rig, which enables us to do some dynamic testing on the EPAS system.
Well, for sure, most attention we've spent into the introduction of the new EPAS system. Not only the EPAS features that we are implementing with the electric steering system, but also understanding the very details within the EPAS system. A key characteristic that we require from our steering system is not only the high amount of agility, but it's also the precision, and coupled with that, the high amount of confidence feel that you have when driving the car.
Since we developed the original Focus, we have concentrated in more and more understanding of the details of each and every component. And since then we also try to apply more and more objective methods, not just to rely on what drivers feel, which is still key, but also to better understand how we can translate what the driver feels into something we can measure.
Attention to detail of a very single component and system, and bringing it to a perfect system, not only the rear suspension, but bringing it into a harmony to the front suspension, that is key for the vehicle dynamics overall. Customers worldwide do have slightly different opinions, but they are moving closer to each other. The differences aren't that high. Environmental conditions differ, obviously, and we need to adapt our products to those environmental conditions. But providing a vehicle globally that provides a high level of confidence feel, a perfect steer feel, high amount of agility and precision will be appreciated by every customer worldwide.